Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use Etisalat Smile Points. So guys, the Smile app, it is a reward loyalty program offered by Etisalat, allowing users to earn and redeem points for very discount and vouchers and over. And to get started, guys, download the app, and it's on the App Store or Google Play or iOS, and then start using this app, guys. Get a number on create account, a new account, and you can start earning a smile point by using services. This is all the services and recharging your balance or paying bills and points. You can redeem it exciting reward including discount on shopping, doing travel or more. Explore these available deals and just guys selected offers then that you can redeem point, and this is how you can use easily, and you can unlock a reduced reward and digital voucher and code by practicing stores online platform and saving your money. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this video for more content.